Hi everyone, do you want to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11? In this video, I show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on supported and unsupported hardware without losing any data. Open your favorite browser, type here Windows 11, hit enter, open this first link Windows 11. We can download Windows 11 ISO with two methods. Scroll down, download the Windows 11 disk image ISO. Select download Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Scroll down, download. Select your language. I want to select English International. Confirm. If you get this error, try second way. Open new tab. Type here Rufus USB boot. Hit enter. Open this first link. Scroll down. Download Rufus standard one. Open Rufus or directly come here. Download. Double click on Rufus. Yes. Click in this drop down. Download. Again download. Select Windows 11. It is by default Windows 11. Continue. Everything is okay. Just continue. Continue. Select your language. It is by default English International. Any language you want. Continue. Select your download folder. I want to download on desktop. Okay. When it is finished, close it. Click on close. When you download Windows 11 ISO, open your Windows 11, double click, find this setup, double click on setup, click on yes, click on next, checking for update, getting update. It will take a few moments. If you get this error, this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, then click on close. Follow this step. Right click on start. Click on disk management. Action. Create VHD. Browse. Find drive C or C drive. Right click here. Create new folder. Write VHD. It is capital letter or small letter, no problem. Open this VHD. File name also VHD. Save. Virtual hard disk size. Select GB. Right here 10 gig. 10 gig is enough. Okay. Right click here. Initialize disk. Okay. Right click here in this black drive. New sample volume. Next. 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 Finish. Close it. This PC. We create this folder. Open Rufus. Select. Find Windows 11. Double click. Start. Select all of them. Okay. Don't worry, just okay. It will take a few moments. When it has finished, click on close. Open this PC. Now click in this folder we created before. Right click on setup, run as administrator. Yes. Next. This step takes a few moments. Applicable notice and lessons. Accept. Getting updates. Install Windows 11 Education. Keep personal files and apps. If you want to remove your files or your apps, click on change what to keep. Now, in this situation, you keep your personal files and apps. Click on install. Installing Windows 11. It will restart several times. Enter your Windows 10 password. It is the same. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good time.